बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रटना नहीं है, समझना है। माय नेम इज सईदा रज़ा। आई एम स्टूडेंट of class 3 my school name is Fair Islamic School System, Hyderabad, Pakistan. Today we are going to learn exercise 4.3 question number 3 class 9 maths chapter number 4 factorization Sindh Board. What is the remainder theorem? A theorem used to find remainder without actual division. Also the book answers and the steps are written. So first of all read a question, then we will come on the steps. So if the polynomial 4x cube minus 7x square plus 6x minus 3k is actually divisible by x plus 2, find the value of k. So here we will do. So the first step is write polynomial. Here we will write the polynomial 4x cube minus 7x square plus 6x minus 3k. Then the second is show is equal to and 0. In a previous video I tell you in this polynomial and in the polynomial is the hidden is equal to and 0. So here we needed to show it. Cube minus 7x square plus 6x minus 3k is equal to 0. Done this. Now second, find minus 2 from x plus 2. So x plus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 2. So the fourth is put minus 2 into polynomial. So here we will become 4 bracket minus 2 whole cube minus 7 minus 2 whole square plus 6 bracket minus 2 bracket plus 2 minus 2 bracket minus 3k is equal to 0. Now fifth, solve. Here we needed to solve this. So here we will come this. So here will become 8 minus 7 2 to the 4, then plus 6 minus 2 minus 3 k is equal to 0. So here we will become 4 8 32, then minus plus minus 7 for the 7 the 28, then plus minus minus 6 1 the 6 6 2 the 12, then minus 3k is equal to 0 will become. So this whole we will do the plus minus 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 minus, then plus. So here will become 72 minus 72 minus 3k is equal to 0. So this will become here. I will do this height. So this minus 72 will become here. So it will be in the plus. Okay. Done this. Then I have no space. That's why the remaining is I am doing here. Here will become minus 3k. K is equal to minus 3. Then 72 will become here. 3 1s are 3. 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. And so the k is equal to 24 minus 24, and it will be our answer. So the book answers are written. You can check it. K is equal to minus 24. K is equal to minus 24. Okay. No subscribe, no like, only share.